My name is Frank, and I worked in the construction industry for 20 years. Now, the number one thing that's always needed in every single project would be safety gear. Safety gear hasn't evolved or changed for many years. Now, new innovations coming from only Est Group. They are well known for over 70 countries and are number one manufacturer worldwide. They have been bringing new ideas to the platform and better gear for safety gear. So if you're looking for safety gear for your next construction project, and take a look at it, only Est Group gear. They bring new high-tech gear for the safety and every need that you're going to need for your construction projects. All right, we're going to take a look at first vest right now. We have a see-through pocket for name tags. Can you demo that one? There's a name tag with see-through pockets ready to go. You don't have to mark anything. Then you have plenty of pockets in the front. You have one here, two, and three. And then we're going to turn it around to see what's in the back too. If you guys can see reflection all around it. And keep turning it one more time. I'm going to talk about one last thing. Keep going. Now, on the left-hand side, you have a little strap underneath this pocket here. This is where you actually could hang things in there. Keys, especially flashlights. A lot of people like flashlights, hanging flashlights and other items. Tools too also. So that's vest number one. We're going to take a look at the other ones. All right, today we have another vest here. We're going to talk a little bit more about this vest right now. This vest has a pocket for your name tag in here. Two more pockets, additional pockets on the bottom, and then one additional pocket across from each other. Now, this one also has a strap so you can hang your tools or anything that you need to know or wear in the field. Now, we're going to turn it around to see the reflectors, and they all go down to the waist. There's two reflectors in the waist and two on the side-to-side panel. So here we have another great vest, and it comes with large reflectors. This is an easy vest. There's no pockets in here. It's easy, any size. This actually has a strap that you could fit any size on the corners and then two corners. Best thing about this, if you're working at night, you could turn on all the LED lights. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on the LED lights. We have one level right now. We're gonna push the button for the second level. All right, you got the solid, and then you got this light. And the reflectors on the back, LEDs in the back.